Hello, welcome to this online tutoring session. Um, so the way this is structured, it's structured by class, and today's focus is going to be Calculus 1. And one of the topics I wanted to talk about is derivatives. At this point, you have seen that a derivative is defined as follows. F prime of x is defined to be the limit of f of x plus h minus f of x. All of this is divided by h, and we're looking at as the limit as h goes to 0, right? And we found this to be a long and tedious process, and this has all brought us to this moment. So if I give you f of x is equal to a x to the n, and where in this case a and n are just numbers, are real numbers. And this real numbers means anything between negative infinity and infinity. It could be a decimal, it could be a whole number, it could be an integer, whatever you want it to be. Then we can also define f prime of x to be a times n to the times x to the n minus 1. What that looks like is basically you bring the n down and you're reducing the power of x by 1. And I think things always make more sense when we look at examples. So let's look at a quick example. If I gave you the case where f of x was equal to 3x squared, then f prime of x is, let's follow the rule, 3 times 2, right? The 2 comes down, times x to the 2 minus 1, reduce the power by 1, 6x. So one of the things I want to share is that we're going to be building on this idea, but it's going to save us time of rather than having to do this long way. One of the cool things about this is if you're given a question that requires you to use this way, you can always check that to see if your answer is correct by using this shortcut.